Welcome to Angel Water. So today we want to do just a quick video, updated video on who Angel Water is, a little bit about where you can find us. You can see the highway, Route 14 behind us, and you can see our big sign. So we do want to let you know where we are, 28214 West Northwest Highway. So that's in Lake Barrington, Illinois, and you can see that we've got a great big place to show you, and we're going to walk through it so you can sort of understand what we're all about. We actually did paint this wall in the back with image of the ocean, right? Whales in the ocean. Now, the purpose of that is because we want to bring awareness to the fact that we are drastically impacting our environment. And we do that every day. Whether it's the food that you wrap in plastic or it's the water you wrap in plastic. And so what we're hoping to do by painting that wall and what our daily activity is really to help bring awareness to you, the consumer, and little changes you can make that will help you, help us affect the environment in a positive way. So definitely eliminating plastic water bottles is one of our key components because so many people are buying cases and cases and cases of plastic water bottles, and we know that they're ending up where? In the ocean. I mean, there's a plastic paradise. That's the island that is the size of larger than Texas that's in the Pacific Ocean, and it's just littered with plastic. Yes, that comes from countries all over the world, but America is definitely one of those bigger contributors to that because we are a disposable society. We are a society that just wants something quick and we don't care about the impact. But if you're like me and you want to impact the world in a positive way, then allow us to help you understand how we can help you with that. We can totally together change the world and the environment by simply changing our patterns. And so with Angel Water, when we come out and teach you, we're teaching you how to filter your own tap water and eliminate those plastic water bottles. But we also teach you how whole home water filtration is actually going to help you reduce the chemicals that you buy on a daily basis. So the net result is you save money and you help the environment become more healthy and you and your family become more healthy. Now, because I think it's always very important that the consumer understands who we are and where we are, Route 14, Lake Barrington, Illinois, this is one of our facilities, and we're going to go through our facility so you can sort of see the inner workings of Angel Water. Now, we've been blessed to have, I don't know, maybe 70, 80 people here, licensed plumbers that work with us. We have product ambassadors who can meet you out at some of the large chain stores. We have service technicians who come out and service your equipment all the time, to telephone staff to answer your calls. I mean, we have a lot of people. Actually, we did this video at just at dawn, just at night here, because we wanted to be able to have it free of anybody because it's like a beehive here during the day. You can see we have a training center here for team members. We have in the back another training center or meeting room that we'll have. Along here you can see we have education tools because we invite people to come in and taste water, test water. I mean, heck, we have over here, we have water from all over the world because I have people that tell us, I like how my water tastes just like this, more minerals or more whatever. So we've bought water from all over the world and we've brought that in so you could sit at our water bar and actually have a conversation about water. But we also have really great educational tools here that are designed to be able to have us walk you over and highlight why do I have dry, itchy skin? You know, what should a well owner be concerned about? What are PFASs in water? This is one of the big things right now in the marketplace is PFASs. So that's a forever chemical that came from DuPont and 3M. And then, with the importance of water softeners, where your water comes from. And lastly, we have this hexavalent chromium 6. That's what that movie Aaron Brockovich story was all about. And I think that that's really important to take a pause and understand that this is how we make sure we make you more healthy, because bottled water companies don't ensure that their product is free of hexavalent chromium 6. Now, if we continue down this way, we'll go through, you can sort of see we have offices here, bathrooms. Back here is where our telephone staff actually sits. So we got a whole team of people that are geared just to be able to help answer questions on the phone, pair you up with either a customer happiness manager. That's our team who comes out and teaches you all about water if you're interested in getting a water filter system, or they help schedule the service technicians who come out and maintain your water equipment. Then back here, we of course have a place for everyone to eat. We didn't hit the light here, but this is a place where everybody eats. We have a little kitchenette in the back. We continue to come back this way, and you can see we have a drive-through, right? We bought a car dealership, a used car dealership, because we have so many customers who want to pick up salt and chlorine and different products that actually help them with the equipment that they've bought. So water softeners and or whole home water filter systems need some consumables. And so we'll have people pull up, the garage door opens up, they drive through, and in Chicago we get some cold weather and we get some really nasty rain, so it's really wonderful to allow our customer to pull in and pick things up. You can see we do offer bottled water. Now, we're not fans of bottled water because it's sitting in plastic. This water bottles are free of BPA, so that it is much better for the body, but we try to talk to our customers because we want to be able to provide you whatever you want, whatever makes you happy. Along that line, a lot of our clients have migrated off of bottled water into a filter system where we can actually make sure that we're taking the toxins out of the water, but the water's not sitting in plastic. Obviously, we have our plumbing trucks here, our accounting office is back there, and if we come back through here, what you'll see is our warehouse. I think the warehouse is probably the most important part because this allows you to see what we do, what products we have. At Angel, we're blessed. We service almost every make and model. We bring the product in, whether we have great reverse osmosis systems like these back here in the box. They're made by Eco Water, amazing product line that actually is owned by Warren Buffett. And they do an amazing job because their products are NSF 58 certified and NSF 401 certified, which allows us to make sure that we're doing the right thing for you. For anyone in water filtration, their ultimate goal should be able to first identify what's in your water and then marry that with a great product that is guaranteed certified to take that out of the water. And so back here you can see we have a ton of different filters from different manufacturers, and we can certainly pair you up with the right product that does that type of thing. We also, as you might have seen, is water heaters as well because we are a plumbing company. But back there you can sort of see all the products that we have, whether, that are designed to help us get you all set up so that, if you need a whole home filter to take out chlorine, if you need one to take out the rock, if you need something because you're on well water and you need to be able to make the water smell better, at Angel Water we basically have everything that you need because water filtration is complicated. I was just talking with someone the other day and they were like, oh, well, my plumber, he just says buy this big blue filter. And it's true. Plumbers, they think that just one filter will do everything. And in a perfect world, that'd be great, right? But it's not true. As I explained to this customer that, no, you have to remember, water filtration is more than the mechanics of plumbing something in. It is physics, because we need the right size filter based on the flow rates of the house and the contaminant that we need to take out. It's chemistry. So it's physics and chemistry, and then it's mechanical. Mechanical is a plumber who connects the plumbing pipes. But there's two big components that's involved in making sure that we get the toxins and the junk that you don't like out of your water. Because of course, if we're passionate about making you healthy and we're passionate about saving you money, we need to be able to first identify what's in it and then marry that with a great certified, typically American manufactured product. You can see a lot of the Eco Water products behind us that will do that for you. So if you are looking to understand more about Angel Water, I hope this video has helped you understand it. If you know friends and family that are looking for water filtration, please click like. Maybe send this to your friends and family because we certainly do lean on referrals to help us grow our business, but more importantly, help us grow in our overall mission, which is to help make more and more of America more healthy. And certainly if you can share this with 3 people that you love and care for, we certainly would be most indebted to you. So again, I'm Andrew. I'm the owner of Angel Water. Certainly we are here to be able to serve you. If you have any questions, you can always call us at 847-382-7800. It's right there. Or you can find us at angelwater.com. What a great way to end. It's at the back of the truck too. A great way to end the video is right at the back of the truck. So we hope that we can serve you and your family. Have a great day.